Hello,
What's the question?
you can ask, no?
Okay. Uh, and now we will start the discussion.
Okay.
Uh, Tell me about something about yourself.
My name is Vikas Kumar. I am from Maharashtra and I currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from XYZ University. And I completed my internship at Software India. Uh, in, and I work on CRM project using a Spring Boot, and I also complete my internship at coding blocks where I making a project like gold price prediction using machine learning. Apart from that, I create a language learning chat app using MERN, and I also create a employee management system. And my uh, strength is adaptability, problem solving, and teamwork. I am comfortable with Java, and I like to build useful real-time application. That's all.
Okay, good, good. So, are you ready to tell me about gold price predictions? Are you comfortable with that?
And yes, I am comfortable with that.
Okay. Now tell me, what was the main objective of your project?
The objective of my project is basically uh, predict the price on the basis of previous data, like a stock exchange, previous gold price, and crude oil price, and economic factors. It helps to analyze future gold price or variation of gold price on the on the basis of previous data. It is useful for students and traders.
Okay, so how you give previous data to your model? You are using any API or directly inputted
No,
by manually?
I directly pick from data from Kaggle.
Okay, is this inbuilt now?
Hello, your
Hello.
background noise is too much.
Okay, tell me, what? Okay. I see my background noise is very loudly. Okay, what problem does your project solve?
Uh, Basically, if you see that I built this project to help student and traders to analyze the gold data on the basis of previous data. Uh, this is this project is not solve real life problem. That means uh, only they predict previous. नहीं, uh, only they
So how do you decide to work on this project? What do you think? Why you work on this?
1 minute. I eat the prasad.
Tell me.
Hello.
Hello.
I
Hello.
am ready. Now the time I am ready.
Okay. So tell me, how did you decide on this project idea? What do you think? Why you want for this?
Basically, mm, I want to learn and apply in real time, real life code. So I want to create a ML project. Basically, not ML, MLDS. This machine learning data science. Okay. So in this project, this is basic project in MLDS. Uh, I think I during my choosing my project, the gold price is uh, increasing too fast due to India-Pakistan war. Okay, in the during the Sindoor operation. So I think this is a good project for me to analyze uh, gold price in the basis of previous data.
So for this project, which type of technologies you used in this project?
I basically use for coding a machine learn ML, a Python language, and for importing the data, pandas. I use library like a pandas, and for calculation, I use NumPy, and for predict improve our for improve the model. That means train the model. I use random forest and R square, and I created a dashboard through uh, a Streamlit.
Good. So is there any another technology are available to use in this type of project? And if available, then why you use this?
Basically, you internet can hello, hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, basically, you can use different type of model. Instead of random forest, you can use uh, like model like linear regression or other thing. But random forest model is good. This accuracy is good because they apply uh, various type of model and find the average, eh, and which is good, due to finding average. This accuracy is good, and all are the standard in DS. So I can
Okay,
use
so
only this
you,
project.
in this project you are working as a group or means individual.
I use individual. I build this project individually.
So what problem faces and how to solve that type of problem in your project?
Basically, I face problem on data training. Okay. Uh,
Hmm?
b- I first of all I choose the model, another model. This is not accurate, and the there is a different or low marking, low mark perform low performance. Then I read documentation and help from Google and find this model, and then train this. I learn through documentation and apply in my project. And I uh, face one more problem, and the removing data, uh, data noise. That means in the data set, null value are available. I also remove this, run the null value through the
Okay. So, if you have extra time, means if you want to work on this project more, then how you decide how to improve your project?
Uh, if I have extra time, so I first of all I implement a real-time feature, and I also implement in a web and user interface. It's a like user good user interface.
Okay, because can we talk on another application you use?
Yes,
Okay, you said that you also work on chat app, right?
yes.
So why you are choosing that application? Because there are many chat applications are available. So if you have means why and what was your purpose on this project?
Basically, I see the many. My project is language learning chat application. Okay, so if you see the many chat application are mainly focused on lessons and lectures, and not on practice. They miss the practice sessions. Okay, so my project is solve this. Instance of my project is instance of focusing too much lessons and lessons too much lessons. They focusing real time conversation through video call and chat.
Okay, what is lesson and what is
Hello.
hello?
Yes.
Uh, oh, what you again again answer this?
Background noise is too much. Background noise is too much. Hello. Hello. You are not audible. Hello.
Yes, I am not audible. Wait just 2 minutes. There are disturbance in near me.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, good. So what I ask? Hello.
You can also see your WhatsApp once time.
Okay, 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 okay. हाँ सुनिए दे हाँ 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 हम तो बोलिए दे
Hello.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, very hello.
Hello.
Okay. Let's start again.
Okay, ask the question.
Hmm?
Ask the question.
Okay. Uh, what technology did you use? Why those are not others?
I use MERN, MSM, MERN hashtag. First of all, M stand for MongoDB, and E for ExpressJS, R for N for Node.js, and R for React. Instance of instance of Bootstrap. I will use React because this is mainly focus on front end or good user interface. Okay. Uh,
Oh, okay, okay.
and I use Tailwind CSS for build modern application. And instance of Spring Boot, I use Express and Node.js because I have already experienced Spring Boot in a CRM project. I want to explore new technology like MERN, so I implement uh, in this project MongoDB, MERN stack, not Node.js and Express.js. And instead of using SQL, I use MongoDB because MongoDB is good for flexible data, and it stores the data as a collection. And
Oh,
in chat application, mostly data is not in a structured format. Most of the data is available in a uh, 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 flexible manner, not a
okay, okay,
structure,
okay. And
semi structure.
so, can you let's move to the technical round?
Okay.
What is the question? Means understand what is it?
Where are the questions?
Check WhatsApp
Uh,
by off screen share.
I think I didn't check WhatsApp. You can write through a share pad where we share the code. At
Okay, okay. Uh, is this visible?
hello.
Uh, what I write you read?
You can write basically type here.
Oh, I understand what type, but uh,
I think this is live on YouTube.
first read that first row.
Type here what was. You can ask anything.
Okay, let's dive through the real life problem like
Oh,
SQL query.
okay,
So if you have organization table means, or let's suppose a customer table,
okay,
okay, and you want to choose that one employee which are related to another organizations also, means that one employee are joined with two organizations. Okay,
okay.
okay, first find that employee.
Okay. Can you give me the question? Share in the question in comment section.
Yeah, why not? But I don't have photos.
You can also share a screenshot on a whiteboard.
Okay. Wait, first, just open. Okay.
Which are we will use previously.
Okay, leave that. First, tell me.
Okay.
Wait. I am finding that question for clarity. Yeah. Yes. Okay. You have the department table,
Okay.
and related that department table, you have employee to each department. So you need to find the employee earn no department by highest salary.
First of all, I have a
So you
department table.
understand?
I have a
Yeah, you
department.
have department table,
Okay.
and for related to that department, you have also employee table. Means
Okay.
both the table are different and joint with foreign and primary key.
Okay.
So you need to find department wise highest salary.
Okay.
Means which in every department which have highest salary that name are names you need
Uh,
to find.
can you share the schema?
Yeah, schema.
You can share on this.
First uh, share that site
What?
share that site so I can paste here the code.
First of all, I write down the question. Suppose, uh,
Okay.
uh,
Hello.
huh?
Just share that text so I can write here anything.
Okay.
So I can understand you what to do.
Share. I will share in comment section. Message
Okay.
inbox.
Okay. Okay. Uh,
Okay. Suppose I have a
uh,
mm,
okay.
custom
Yeah. Okay.
customer table.
You have one employee table that is employee table,
Okay.
and one is a organization table.
Okay.
Means department table,
Okay. This is
and
employee
in
table,
this, yeah, and
and
that
this.
is department table.
Okay.
Means each department has its own employee.
Okay.
You need to find you need to find which department employee has highest salary. Means you need to find the highest salary of every department.
Okay. Can you give me the Foreign key in department table and primary key of employee table. MPID.
Just create yourself. Yeah, create yourself.
Okay. O- Okay. Can you repeat the question once?
Oh, why not? Uh, Basically, you have one employee table.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you have one employee table and one department table.
Okay.
Means your employee are related to that department table.
Okay.
So you need to find in every department what is the highest salary of that department.
Okay.
Means basically you need to find highest salary of the department. Question is understandable.
Yes. And print the employee name or salary.
Just same salary.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes. This is the hello. This is the answer.
Wait, Vikas, 5 minutes. There are call from my home.